Actually, he's pretty nice.
Not bad at all. He's not even got that weird.
He's got a hump in his back.
He does have a.
He's been injured and then kept growing. That is an interesting looking fish.
It really is. He's very unique. There's
about
17.
Yeah, 16 or 17. Check out my thing right here.
Oh yeah.
Game warden gave it to me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Get him in the boat.
We got a double here, Josh. He might come off if I leave him in there long enough. Oh, yours is nice.
Too nice of this stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nicer than the last one, Josh, I think. Doubles. Well, we got a double there, didn't we, Josh? Well, they're here, Josh.
Might be.
I believe he is. He's a good 20-incher anyway. Nice one, Josh.
Yeah.
Yeah, not quite. I don't know, he hasn't come up yet. Ooh, get him in the boat, Josh. Get him in the boat. Get him in the boat. He's the keeper. These are some nice fish, Josh. You got a catfish, Josh. Catfish and a striper.
Over here, buddy.
There is the boat.
Over here, buddy. Give me that little bit of jig.
He's a good fish, Josh.
Yeah, come to me.
I'm trying to.
Make sure to get this off.
Yeah, get the line off of it.
What is that? Turn around. I know, baby.
It should pull out.
I got it.
There you go.
I got it. All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah, out this way.
1, 2, 3.